Hi, English learners. Welcome to Slow English Podcast. Hello, dear my friends. I am Leo, and welcome back to English Practice PB. Today, we are going to learn a very simple English for your daily life. We are going to learn very simple English for your daily life. Learning a new language can feel hard. Learning a new language can feel very hard. I know that feeling very well. But please do not worry. I am here to help you step by step. I will speak very slowly. I will speak very slowly. I will use very easy words. You can just relax, listen, and practice with me. Are you ready? Great. Let us start together. Think about your daily routine. What do you do every morning? When you wake up, you see your family, you see your friends. What do you say to them? Usually, people say good morning. That is very nice. But you can also say, how are you today? This is a warm and friendly question. It shows that you care about them. It shows that you care about them. When someone asks you this question, how do you answer? You can say, I'm good, thank you. Or you can say, I am doing well today. See, it is very simple. Let us say it together right now. I'm good, thank you. Very good. You did a great job. Now, imagine you are at work or at school. You need some help you your work. You need some help with your work. What do you say? Or do not be afraid to ask. You can simply say, can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Please is a magic word in English. It is always good to use polite words. When someone help you, remember to say thank you so much. And if someone says thank you to you, you can reply, you are welcome. These small words make a big difference every day. They show good manners. Yes, they show good manners. What about making new friends? Talking to new people can make you nervous, but it does not have to be scary. But it does not have to be scary. You can start with a simple smile. Then say, hi, my name is Leo. Of course, you will say your own real name. Then ask them, what is your name? After they tell you, you can say, nice to meet you. This sounds very polite and soft. Anyone will be happy to talk to you. Anyone will be happy to talk to you. Sometimes we do not understand what someone says, what happens to everyone. It happens even to native speakers. So, what should you do in that solution? Do not stay quiet or feel sad. Just say sorry. Can you say that again? Or say, please speak slowly. People are usually very happy to help. They will say it again for you slowly. Never feel ashamed of making mistakes. Mistakes mean that you are trying. Mistakes help you learn faster. Every mistake brings you one step closer to speaking English well. Now, let us talk about your free time. What do you like to do on weekends? What do you like to do on weekends? Do you like to watch movies? Do you like to cook good food? Or maybe walk in the park? When you talk to a friend, you can ask them, what do you like to do? If they ask you the same things, you can answer, I like to read books, or I like to listen to music. Yes, it is a very good. Using simple words like I like is a wonderful way to share your life with other people. It is a wonderful way to share your life with other people. Let us practice another common real life situation: ordering food or drinks at a cafe. When the waiter comes to your table, you can say, hello, can I have some water, please? Or if you want hot tea, you can say, can I have a cup of tea, please? It is fast, simple, and clear. You do not need hard words to get your favorite drinks. You do not need hard words to get your favorite drinks. At the end of the day, when you say goodbye to someone, what do you say? You can say, see you tomorrow, or have a nice day. These soft words end your talk in a very sweet day. They make people feel happy. My dear English learners, learning a language takes time. Do not rush. Practice a few minutes every single day. Listen to this podcast slowly. Say the sentence out loud with me. You do not need to be perfect today. You do not need to be perfect today. Just try to be a little better than yesterday. Thank you so much for listening to English Practice PB today. My name is Leo. You are doing a wonderful job. Keep practicing, stay positive, and keep moving forward. I will see you in the next time. Have a wonderful day. Take care.